What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to get into how the KIA Boyz KIA Boy. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Hyundai Sonata, right? Kia Optima, I think, is its brother, cousin, clone, whatever it is. There's another Hyundai here. There's a lot of Hyundais in this section. Telluride, a bunch of other ones because of the KIA Boyz. Now, you're going to say, what is that? Well, that's these geniuses that go in and steal these cars. And if you own one of these, I'm going to try to show you some stuff of how they do it to try to help you protect yours from getting stolen. So basically what they do is they get into your vehicle, all right, and they grab a screwdriver. It's really a screwdriver and a USB cable is all they need to steal your car, okay? They take a screwdriver in here, they snap down, which removes this cover, okay? Once that cover is removed, this is your ignition system that you guys can see right here, right? You see how that looks like a little USB thing? And that looks like a little lightning port thing. Yeah. So what happens is these dumbasses, they take your car, and instead of having the key, which your key would normally look like this, they put a screwdriver in the lock and then they snap down. And it breaks this free, okay? And once this breaks out, it can still be here. It doesn't have to turn. And they literally stick a USB in here and it turns that. And then they can turn it with a little USB cable and starts your car. Yeah, this right here is a disaster. Now, there's a couple different things you can do. They actually sell an updated kit, an updated piece like this that you can put on your car, which does not bend and come apart that easy. And it actually has a locking mechanism on the bottom down here, which is made out of metal and keeps people from getting to this. Because here's the thing, this is not hard to fix. The car was stolen. You're basically just going to put this back in or snap this back together. And let me see if this actually lines up. I think it does. You're just going to snap this back in, turn this back to the off position, snap this back in, snap in your ignition, and put your stuff back together, and the key and stuff would work just fine. But because they don't have any real immobilizer technology in these cars, and as long as this stays plugged in and it's hanging here and you turn that, the car will run. That's the problem. If you unplug this and take this off, some models don't run, some still do. But as long as this is plugged in, this doesn't even have to work. You don't have to do anything with this. You literally just turn this. This is what controls it. You know, you push it in, you turn it, and that's it. And it's literally, if you see those videos online where they stick a USB cable in here and turn it, that's how they do it. So I'm going to see if I can get the link to the upgraded housing that goes over this. Look, insurance companies are just getting rid of people who have had them for years and years and years. And it's literally because of these cars being stolen. All right, it's not hard to fix it. It literally is replacing this piece right here. There's a top piece and a bottom piece that goes down over this over here. And once you replace that with the metal upgrade that has a lock on it, they can't get to this. They can stick a screwdriver in here all they want and pry down, but it won't come out because that metal also comes all the way here to the ring and keeps this locked in. They can't snap this down to get to this. Hopefully this is not just like a, hey, here's how you steal these cars, because this video on how to do this is all over the internet, so don't come for me in the comments. It's literally, if you have a Hyundai or a Kia, it's an educational video to show you how easy your car can be stolen and things you can do to prevent it. Now, I don't know if my dude Destroyer 1320 is working on one of these yet, but he definitely should, and make his own metal version of this that goes over this whole housing and protects your Kia or Hyundai from getting stolen. That is literally just an educational purposes only video. I wanted to show that to you guys that have Hyundais, that have Kias, so that you don't wake up one morning and see your car on social media with some dumbass doing donuts in your car or smashing it into a pole because it took them 10 seconds to steal your car. It literally takes about 10 seconds. You literally get in the car, pry down with that screwdriver, snap that thing out and turn the key, and you're gone. You're gone. There's no alarm. There's no nothing. That's what's crazy. Well, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate your love, your support, and watching these videos. You could do me a huge favor by sharing this video out on Facebook, other different places. Just copy the link and paste it. I would appreciate it, because more people that know about this, that own these cars, the better. That way people don't get their stuff stolen. Anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I'll catch you guys very soon on the next one. I have to say it. Who was it at Hyundai that thought it was cool, or Kia, to call this a Telluride? I can dick. I'll let y'all finish the sentence. Woo!